Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Yaxshi misiz? Ishlangiz yaxshimi? Havo yaxshimi? Yeah, the weather is in here, so Korea is the weather is very cold. Today also was very freezing cold. Okay. And today we are going to review which is um, which we have studied the functions. I mean, we have studied um, that how to use the function if, yeah, which can make condition, and and a lot of functions such as sum, average. For sure, you know that. And we also know that function VLOOKUP. Before a week ago we studied, and today we are going to review we have studied. Okay, look at this screen. I made a report card. For example, these are students and the scores for sure, and total sum, average, and pass. What is pass? I made the condition if the students average score is 70 or higher, I will she or he will pass. And length is yeah. What is length? What is the length? The students among among the whole students related to their average. And next, we will find the total score average. Yes, total scores average and total number of students. How many students test? And next, this part, we have to use the function VLOOKUP and data validation. Yeah, for sure. A week ago we studied that how to use data validation and find the data, and then using VLOOKUP. And best scores student. Okay. First of all, we need to find their total sum. I mean, English and math, history sum. So actually, you know that what I mean. We have to use function sum for sure, like this. Sum the students' scores of whole, like this. So it will be appeared 150 for sure. 100 plus 20 plus 30. And then whole student also like this. Okay. And next, average. Average. We need to use average function. It's very simple and easy. You know that. you already know that before I told you that sum and average is very important to use um, to work. I mean, when you work in your company or if your job is teacher, um, it it need to you need to make the Excel like this data. So it's very simple and basic function sum and average. Okay, very easy. Sorry. Okay, like this. And pass. As I already told you before, what is pass if I made of the condition, like this. If the student's average score is 70 or higher, I will give pass. Okay, let me see. Firstly, you need to type if for sure because we need to make the condition like this 70 or higher. Well, let me think. What are we supposed to do? Average scores. Average score. Okay. Gangsan's average is 50. Okay. And is 70 or higher. So we need to type like this: higher or 70 or 70, higher or 70, right? And then value if true. If the condition is true, we will give pass, right? Pass. For example, P, okay? And else or um he isn't 70 or higher score. So uh, I will I will give I will just give the blank like this. So Gangsan isn't passed, right? Because his average total scores average isn't 70 and or higher, 70 higher. And whole people like this. So we found that the students who passed exam, yeah, Tanya, Asel, Chors. This is, for example, actually indeed I have friends at Uzbekistan. Their name is their name is Tanya and Asel. Chores is just for example chores bazaars. I try to study um, the Uzbek language, so um, I will. I hope you understand what I mean. Chores bazaar and okay. And next rank. Okay, rank. We need to find the student rank. What is the student rank? The of Gangsan. What is rank of Gangsan among the whole students? So we need to type blank function. And we need to use the average. Okay, average. I mean, whole students length. So number is his average, the student average, and then whole students. What is length the students among the whole students? And close like this. So Gangsan's length is 6th. And who is the best? Who is first? Who is the best score student? I think Asil. This. Oh, we have a problem. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot that. This is a very important thing. Oh yeah, sorry. We need to select fix them like this. Yeah, as I told you before, this is the absolute function. We called absolute function. This case, you need to type like this. I mean, press press F4 like this, because I will show you if we if we don't use the absolute value like this. Okay, Gangsan's this function is right, and value, look at the value student rank. We want to find the student's rank number, right? The average, Scorner's average. We will find Scorner's average among the whole student, right? Among the whole student, but F4 from H4 to H11. Where is H4? H4 is like this. This is weird, right? This is so strange because sometimes we usually the we know that the convenient function, I mean the like this, it's very useful and convenient, but this case we selected the whole student data, but when we are used to this function, like this, we need to fix them. We need to fix the data. I mean, absolute value like this. It's very important. So it will appear like this. Look at this part. To fix it, they fix whole data like this. Only change their the student's average like this. It means Dara is a fixed data, fix H3 from H3 and to H10, fix them. So yeah, we found the best score students called ASEL like this, and then next total score average. It's just you already know that average like this. Okay, all of students averages of average of all of students score average, and then total number of students is that already we have studied the function the count, which mean uh, usually we want to find um, count number. So I will show you how to use it. The count, first the count and value. Uh, this is for example like this. Then it will appear 10, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Because this case count is mean only find the number, but only only find number. I selected the data like this, but this is not this. And those are not number. Those are words. So we need to use when we use the function count, you need to the only selected only number. If you want to select the count word, we need to um, count a like this. Count a is found is that find search all of I mean word or number either was founded. Yeah, this case we need I think we need to use neither counter count a and counter count. Okay, and next the best score students is a cell. We know that already. We know that, but this case we have to use the function. I mean max, right? Max. Okay, let me think. I'm sorry. This is error. I think it's just we just find the best score. Best score. Yeah, the best score. I think. So we need to what I do. Firstly, we best score is 77. We know that already we know that, but we have studied the function which called max, the largest number. So we need to max, or this case, I will show you how to use large. What is large? It seems like max, the function max, but if you when you use this function large, we can find uh, number the how is big number of the whole data. Look at this. Array arrays arrays data. Yeah, I will show you that the data, for example, and then k is the rank. I mean, if I if I try to type uh, typical one, uh, it will appear the largest number, and two is secondary number, third like this. So if we are use type one, and it will appear the best larger number. It appears 77 for sure, like this. Max or Raj, yeah. And then finally, uh, we need to find we need to use the data validation and VLOOKUP. This is very important function. Uh, and yeah, next week, I think next week uh, I'm gonna make the exam. Um, it's I will make a exam the next week. Um, that exam, um, yeah, of course we have studied a lot for function. Just that exam is just the review. But I think um, if and data validation and VLOOKUP is very are very important function, I think. So I hope you guys practice more until by next week. Okay, I will show you how to use the data validation again. So firstly, click this part. We need to search their name, right? Data validation, and then settings, the list, and source. Where is the data source? Is that as I told you before already? We want to find their name. We want to find their average, the student average. So we need to choose like this. Okay. Oh yeah, I solved it. Um, yeah, it already the merge. So uh, it was it the appeared bug. It appeared it doesn't working. So uh, I did the merge again, so like this. So okay, finally we have to use data validation. Again, I will explain it. Click it and data validation and list a source. Click the list, their name, this those name, and so then we will find their name, and then this part is very important. Um, in this case, we need to use VLOOKUP. Lookup value. Where's the search data? Search data is the student's name, the student's average. We want to the student's average. We want that, right? So firstly, the students, and then tab array is like this. It doesn't matter. We just need to their average. So it's okay like this. And then call index number is where is the the call? Where's the average call? I mean, the firstly, secondly, first, secondly, third, seventh. Okay, seventh. And then 0 is mean true, and 1 is false. 0 is exact. We will find exactly data, and if we choose 1, is the close data. In this case, we need to 0 true exact data like this. This case, we need to change the format. It already selected date, but we need to number or general this. So then finally we have done the practice which we have studied the Excel. Okay. Again, I will tell you again. Next week, I will make an exam, which we have studied. We studied the functions such as sum, average, max, mean, count, and if, and length, like this, and the important function. I mean, and data validation and the VLOOKUP. Okay, so I will make it by next week. Then see you then.